Hello, my name is Jack, and today I'm going to be talking about the Swiss Army knife. The Swiss Army knife. The Swiss Army knife was actually invented in Germany. It was invented in Germany around the end of the 19th century. But it was popularized, it was made popular in the Swiss Army when the Swiss Army began giving the Swiss Army knife, or as they called it, the Army knife, to their soldiers. And the knife was very, very successful. The knife was very successful because it contained many different tools. It had lots and lots of different tools that could do different things. Some of the common tools that are found on the Swiss Army knife are 1. The blade, a normal knife blade for cutting things, for cutting different things, or sometimes stabbing things. Number 2 is a pair of scissors for cutting things like paper, or also thread from clothes and things like that. The third thing that you normally find on a Swiss Army knife is a bottle opener. A bottle opener for opening bottles of beer. Because obviously, if you are a soldier and you are fighting in a war, you need beer. You need to drink beer. So obviously, we need a bottle opener. We need a bottle opener to open the beer. The next thing that you sometimes find on a Swiss Army knife is a cheese grater. A cheese grater for grating cheese. The Swiss love cheese. This is a fact. The Swiss love cheese. So if the Swiss are going to war, they are obviously going to bring cheese. And then they need a cheese grater. So I think this is very clever. This is very clever. The next thing that you might find on a Swiss Army knife is a corkscrew. A corkscrew for opening bottles of wine. Obviously, if you are bringing cheese to war, you need to bring some wine as well to go with the cheese. This is very clever. But you need something to open the wine. You need a corkscrew for taking the cork out of the wine. This is very clever. And the next thing that you might find in a Swiss Army knife is a file. A file for filing down things, such as metal or wood. You can file down things so that they become smoother. You can also use it for your nails. You can file down your nails so that you are very presentable and you have nice nails when going into war. So those are some of the common tools that you might find on a Swiss Army knife. The Swiss Army knife has become incredibly popular over the years, mainly because of its different utilities. It can be used for many different things, and this makes a lot of people like it. It's also very, very small. It's very, very small, and it fits in your pocket. It fits in your pocket, so it's very convenient. You have a situation and you take out your knife, and then you can solve the problem. This is very, very good. It's better than a big knife that you have to carry around and is very heavy. It's very heavy. The Swiss Army knife is small and light. And the third reason that people like it is because it is durable. It doesn't break. It doesn't break very easily. If you take care of your Swiss Army knife and you clean it and you are very affectionate with it, then it will stay sharp and useful for many, many years. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and tell me in the comments below, do you like Swiss Army knives? And do you want a Swiss Army knife? Because I do want a Swiss Army knife. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.